Good morning to all of you. Children, you have heard the name of Dr. Abdul Kalam, who was our former president. First, watch a very short story about him.
More than 80 years ago, a boy was born in a small village called Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is in Tamil Nadu, a state in India. In this map, you can see Tamil Nadu in the southern part of India. It is marked in red. The boy's name was APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul was from a poor family. To help his family, Abdul would distribute newspapers after school. Abdul was a very hard-working student who would often study for long hours. Abdul's hard work helped him reach one of the best colleges in India. In college, Abdul studied science for 4 years. Abdul's hard work in college helped him become a scientist. As a scientist, he created many missiles. Here is a picture of one of the missiles he created.
તમે જાણ્યું કે નાનપણથી જ ડૉક્ટર અબ્દુલ કલામને કંઈક અલગ કરવાની, કંઈક બનવાની ઈચ્છા હતી. આવી જ ઈચ્છાઓ દરેક બાળકમાં રહેલી હોય છે. So we just say like, I wish I was Sachin Tendulkar. I wish I were Lata Mangeshkar. I wish I were Prime Minister. I wish I were a good teacher. I wish I were a scientist. The same way, in Unit 2, Activity 1, there is given a small poem where a narrator represents various wishes. You have to listen carefully.
Overtakes me, I wish my legs were longer to carry me faster. Whenever I hear, oh, your friend is such a dear, I feel like asking why, and it makes me cry. Don't bother, I love you, my dear. The words I'm happy to hear.
Children, open the page number 13 from your textbook.
Overtakes me, I wish my legs were longer to carry me faster. Whenever I hear, oh, your friend is such a dear, I feel like asking why, and it makes me cry. Then comes my mother love you, my dear. The words I'm happy to hear.
હવે એક સળંગ સ્ટાન્જા હું અહીંથી બોલીશ અને પાછળ તમારે બધાએ રિપીટ કરવાનું છે. આર યુ રેડી?
Whenever I see others taller than me, I feel that I am small, and I wish I were tall. Whenever I see someone overtakes me, I wish my legs were longer to carry me faster. Whenever I hear, oh, your friend is such a dear, I feel like asking why, and it makes me cry. Then comes my mother, who says, don't bother, I love you, my dear. The words I'm happy to hear.
Children, have you enjoyed the poem? I heard your voice. Yes. All of you are telling yes. Okay. Now we will do a small activity. From your poem, you have to find out some rhyming words. See the example. From the first stanza, I will show you. From first two lines, there are given rhyming words like see, me. So from another two lines, which are the rhyming words? Yes, I heard your voice. Small, tall. બાલમિત્રો, અહીંથી થોડોક સમય ફાળવું છું. આ પોઈમમાં આવતા રાઇમિંગ વર્ડ્સ તમે જ નોંધી લ્યો. Children, I hope you have listed the rhyming words. Let's check. So, the rhyming words are see and me, small and tall, again in second stanza, there is given see and me, and longer and faster. From third stanza, here and dear, why and cry. In last stanza, mother and bother. And last pair is dear and here. તો ફરી મળીશું. બાય બાય.